Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to unlock your Experian credit freeze. There are a couple of ways to do this. The first way is by online method, and how you're going to do that is to go to the Experian website and log into your account, and then just click on the manage credit freeze tab, and then you want to enter your PIN or password to verify your identity, and just select the option to thaw or temporarily lift your credit freeze, and then you want to choose the duration for which you want to thaw your credit freeze. Now, to do that on phone, what you want to do is to call Experian's credit freeze hotline, and the number is right there on the screen, and just provide your PIN or password to verify your identity, and then just request to thaw your credit freeze and specify how long you want that to be done for. So but to do that on mail, what you want to do is to download the credit freeze thaw form from the Experian website, and then just fill out the form with your personal and financial information. And of course, you're going to need to attach required documents, such as a copy of your driver's license or passport, and then just mail the form to Experian at the address provided, and they're going to help you to get that done. Now, the required information, of course, you're going to need your PIN or password to verify your identity. You also need personal identification, so you're going to need to provide personal identification such as your name, address, and social security number. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.